Previously.
So we got the shifter, we got the clutch pedal. So you guys see stage 2 clutch, JWT flywheel. She's gonna put in the trans right now.
4 to 6 weeks later.
So the mechanic gave me the green light, they're good to go, the car is ready, the transmission is inside. We're driving a little Mazda. The transmission is inside, going through all the gears, so we're on the way right now to go pick up the car. Hopefully everything goes fine. The headers is on, new motor mounts, new everything. The car is gonna be driving like a brand new car, so we even got our laptop in case we need it, but like, oh, we got Stitch right here too. Come on, Stitch. Yeah. Oh, he's trying to fight you guys. What? Oh. Yo, he's trying to, oh. Nah, the YouTube family won.
You know what's funny? I think you're gonna literally not put that in the video.
I bet you I will. Yeah, we're here. Ooh, look at the car, look at the car, look at the car. And they cleaned it too. Damn. Yeah, she's beautiful.
I got a video on the same too.
Oh, for real?
Look.
Nice. Damn. It is crazy. It looks good. Wee. I don't know, but this is sick. All right, guys. Well, this is first start of the car. Let's see. That's loud. That's loud. Damn. Alright, let's hear that. Damn, guys. This is crazy. I'm so freaking excited. We got the button here. We still got our cup holders. What happened with this? Oh, I gotta fix this right here. We still got our cup holders. Everything here.
Just put it down.
Damn. So we're gonna get right into it. We got our 6-speed right here. Look at this. Look at this. I can finally do this. I can finally do this. So we got our emergency brake here, and we gotta go. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat, I'm not trying to push the car too much. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my oil light is on. So I think it's either a sensor or something like that, but I think this IS 250 wants some. So is this the first race you guys are gonna see? Maybe. that ref match. Let's see. Ooh, third gear. Ooh, second gear. Oh, this is so much fun. Alright. I know you guys want to see the shifter and me shifting, so what I'm gonna do is, you probably won't see too much of the road, so I'm just gonna show you more of the shifter and stuff like that. First gear. This is just too fun. Guys, just enjoy this. Just enjoy it. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you this is a short shifter. I do have a short shifter on the car. Should we wait for the IS? Let's wait for the IS. Let's wait. So I do have a short shifter on the car, you know, just for racing purposes. It's a Racing Line short shifter. Thank you to Gersten. He told me where to get it. He hooked me up, so I got a short shifter. We got our stage 2 clutch, as you guys saw, so everything is pretty much race friendly. But I'm just honestly, the car shifts like butter. Like everything is so nice, so short, so race friendly. And like I said, guys, if you guys want to see me race V8 RT Charger, the new Sonata N line, full bolt-on 328i, and a Honda Civic Si, I got those races already under the belts. If you guys want to see those races, the outcome of the manual Maxima versus those, guys, hit that thumbs up button and we will definitely get that video out as soon as possible. Let's just get some more ref match. But yeah, 6th gear, 45 miles an hour, 1500 RPMs. Clutch, the clutch is a little bit stiff, but that's okay, and it grabs super high, so I don't even gotta put my foot all the way in to engage the clutch. Guys, just look at it. I know you guys are staring at it. I know you're staring at it. Just look at it. Everywhere I go, people are like, what? Like, that car does not sound normal. What does it have inside? And they either try to run me, they want to know what I did to it, what are the mods and all this. Just great. It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. So our reverse is actually clutch in, up, and that's reverse. So with every shift, the car pops. Ready? With every shift that's like a little higher in RPMs, the car will, oh, that's a nice Tesla right there. Look at that. Well, that's nice. And those downshift, guys, like, woo. listen. So with every shift, I gotta have high RPMs, but third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and my sixth gear. Oh, you guys want to do that tunnel run? All right, listen to this. All right, ready? Sorry, guys. Oh, that's funny. People are probably looking at me like, what the hell? But yeah, guys, this is honestly just a quick video. I'm just showing you guys how the car shifts and everything. Should we do a quick pull? Let's do a quick pull just for you guys. Alright, we're gonna do a quick little pull here. Probably like what, 1, 2, 3?